done in this way already. Okay, so this one is right-hand side. This one is, this is look like seal is new. Okay, S25 plus after 5 months. This one is Vietnam. Is it C or not? I don't know. Vietnam edition. Packaging information, hazard and IP65 warning. This one label and printed in Vietnam. Recycle packaging. Okay, let's unbox. Open. Let's open from this one also. First time. S25 plus. Wow, this one is a which edition, which color? Let me check. Order. It's a silver shadow. Its color is silver shadow. Wow, look like new. Wow color. Wow, this one is S24 plus and this one is S25 plus. I don't think so there have any changes. Look, is there any changes? Only camera bump are more like a little bit extra. They put some plastic or metallic frame on that. That's it. This is it. Okay, so let's open this one. Wow, look. First time. Silver shadow. There's nothing changes. Look, S24 plus, S25 plus. It's no changes. Like extra mic is there, antenna line. Here have power button, volume rocker, speaker grill, and microphone. Speaker grill and Type-C cable, SIM card tray, and this side nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay, this one only antenna line and everything. Okay, so let's on this one. First time. Yes, now it's on. Secure by Knox. Look, it's a Samsung. Ooh, it's 44% battery left. Start. One day, last night, I left the battery. Let me check. Yes, it was 86%. Sorry, 89% I left. Now 86%. So 3% battery drop. Okay, let's unbox the. What I have extra documentation. Okay. Then I have a one SIM ejector tool here. Paper guide, very small. It's okay. This one is for USB cable, type C to Type-C. Okay, nice. Let's open this one. because I want to use official cable, not other cable. I don't know why this one is so tight. Why this one like this? Done. I don't need any single tool. Already have. Highlight is better control on S24 Plus. What happening to the Samsung? It's a better control in S24 Plus, also dynamic range, absolutely winner. S24 Plus, there is no question. In ultra wide also. Oh my god, I am buying the S25 Plus for extra $200. S25 is a waste of money. Maybe in a low light condition will be better or not, I don't know. But in a main sensor, you absolutely you can see. The S25 is a winner. Sorry, S24 is a winner.